Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I am going to show you how to make restaurant style salsa, and yes, it is using canned tomatoes and jalapenos. They need to be the pickled. That's very important, and it's not necessarily fresh ingredients, but it's going to taste super fresh and it's going to be super consistent. Like every time you make it, it's going to taste the same because you're not depending on certain tomatoes. So first thing I did is I diced up one white onion. You can use a yellow onion, either way it doesn't matter. And next I'm going to add some jalapenos in, and I'm going to get this nice and pureed. So I'll show you that in just a second. So I've added 4 of those pickled jalapenos, and then I have poured a little bit of juice down in the bottom of this so it has water in there to work. That can I showed you does 3 or 4 rounds of salsa. So what I do is I take all the extra jalapenos, and after I'm done making the salsa, I will go ahead and puree them, and then I will freeze them in the freezer, and then I'll just break off a chunk and dump it in whatever I'm needing. Usually I just use it in salsa, but I also use it in chili. So it's really great, and you can get these peppers. Walmart has them. Dollar Tree sometimes actually has this brand, so they're really easy to find, I'm sure. Really any pickled jalapeno will work. So let's get these pureed. And you'll notice that the stems are on. From our Mexican restaurant in town, they said this actually adds flavor and you'll never notice it, so you leave them on. Now they're all blended, and I'm going to dump in the can of tomatoes and a little bit of garlic, black pepper, and salt, and I will write the amounts down in the comments along with the other ingredients. Okay, so we've got the onions and jalapenos. This is the tomatoes, and then I went ahead and put cilantro. Oh, excuse me, I'm sorry, I dumped all the pepper in on top, and whew, it is getting me. And when you open this and you've done the jalapenos, that'll also get you. So just last step is just to blend. Yes, I do have to rock my blender, but you probably don't. I do. That's okay. So now we have fresh salsa. I'll get it in a bowl and show you what it looks like. So just a word of warning. Oh, I'm a little bit shaky. Word of warning. 4 jalapenos is a little on the spicy side. If you are used to paste, I would put it at 2 jalapenos and try to work your way up because it really makes a difference. So here it is in all this lovely, fresh tasting, cilantro filled onion and garlic. So good. You could eat the whole container. I don't recommend that, but you could. So there it is. Your friends are all going to ask you for the recipe. It's super simple. I hope you guys enjoy it. If you want to see more super easy recipes and budget friendly, give me a like and a subscribe. Thanks.